I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Luxe Hopia Bakery. Luxe Hopia Bakery is one of the established bakery here in Cebu that uses a brick oven for their baking to give out a unique taste. Started in 1960s and even until now, they still uses brick oven to bake their mouth-watering and delectable hopia. And right now, they can arrange to have this delectable hopia and other products to be delivered in our homes. And for that, mga onedenta guys, at atong ginay unahon ng ilahang mongo hopia. Yes, naa sila own family recipe that's make their mongo hopia so unique and so tasty. And karon na sila sila ubi flavor and of course their pork flavor. And dili lang sa ako kaonon guys ha, kay of course excited kumukaon sa ilahang siopao. Siopao po niya na ay distinct taste kung ato paliton sa ilaha. And now I am trying the cheese bread and of course naasad sila Meatroll. So ang Meatroll og siopao prepareha lang but of course lahi lang ang ban. And I am so happy this Camote cake is available all throughout the year. Kaya you know what guys, kumukaon ka ni feel yun ako Chinese New Year na. And they have a lot of local pastries too, pero ako siyang ganahan kay kanilahang butter cookies. Well, kasi ako hindi ganang butter cookies, nga feel ako mahurot na gyud na ako tanan ron. Bitaw guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and lastly to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!